Hey guys, it's Lisa from the blog Farmhouse on Boone.com. I'm in my kitchen today and I just finished photographing a spring kitchen tour that I did with a couple of blogger friends. Spring for me is definitely such an exciting time. I've been looking through my favorite gardening books and seed catalogs, and I have pulled out seeds from last year and then ordered some new ones as well. So I picked out some cosmos and some zinnias, and I'm gonna get some seeds started. So the flowers are coming, but for now I brought in some bright greens to reflect the new life outside. This basil plant here, a preserved boxwood wreath in the windowsill, succulent arrangements, and some leftover eucalyptus from last winter. I'm just not a person to go out and buy up a whole bunch of new home decor items for each season. I just bring inside whatever's going on outside. This preserved boxwood wreath that's hanging in my windowsill, I just tied that up there with a strip of ticking stripe fabric. I recently added this rug to my kitchen floor. I just love the way it warms up our wood floors. Also did a quick little project that I literally went to the store and grabbed fabric today. I sewed up this super quick ruffle ticking stripe curtain and then just put it up to cover up the trash can, because in this old house there is a spot where there are no cabinets, and so that's where we keep our trash can. And then I like to usually keep a curtain over it, but I wanted something new and fresh for spring. Thank you so much for watching that video. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I make 2 new videos every week at least on food from scratch, natural living, and our handmade home. Also, stop by the blog. If you haven't grabbed my mini guide, 5 steps to an organized kitchen, go ahead and grab that. There'll be a link in the description below. It's a free downloadable mini guide, and I go into detail about how to keep an organized kitchen. So thank you so much for stopping by our farmhouse.